Dalmatian who's brought to me by his parents for a 2-week board and train. What they're wanting from this board and train, of course, he's a blank slate. He's a little puppy, very rambunctious, very rambunctious. They want him to learn some manners, be able to be controllable, all that good stuff that everybody wants from their dog, so they can all have a happy life. So he can, realize he just needs to be a puppy. So right now we're going to do a little baseline check, see where he's at, so he sees progression for this 2 weeks. Come, 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 come. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit, good boy. Down. Down, good boy. So as you see right now, his recall was atrocious. We got a little dog behind us. Plus he's sniffing around here. His sit was good, which is rare. That was really rare. His down was good too, being as though he was trying to fight me earlier, literally, wiggling away. So he's got some work to do. Those are the basic commands. We're going to see how far we can get with them. Biggest thing is to get him manageable and controllable. So continue watching this video and see his progression throughout the 2 weeks. Thank you.